Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, Kamari Kennedy threw another championship record to land the under-17 boys discus throw on the third and final day of the CARIFTA Athletics Championships in Trinidad and Tobago. Kennedy also broke the shot put record through 60.87 meters to shatter Kobe Lawrence's six-year record of 53.32 meters. Kennedy, who won ahead of teammate Brandon Lawrence. Now, Shaquane Gordon broke the meet record to land the under-20 boys 110-meter hurdles ahead of compatriot Daniel Clark, who also went under the record. Gold medalist Gordon posted 13.19 seconds in a negative 1.4 meter per second wind, erasing the old mark of 13.23 seconds set back in 2014. Now, Clark got the silver with a time of 13.21 seconds. Tiana Marshall led a Jamaican 1-3 in the under-20 girls 100-meter hurdles. Marshall won in 13.50 seconds, with teammate Brianna Davidson getting bronze. It was double the delight in the girls under-17 sprint hurdles as Malia Duncan led home teammate Nicaila Russell, clocking 13.34 seconds to win. And Shania Douglas is the sprint double champion after winning gold in the under-20 girls 200 meters, clocking 23.02 seconds. Sabrina Docker took bronze. And Aliki Reynolds won the under-17 girls 800 meters in 2 minutes 12.57 seconds, ahead of compatriot Kevon Gay Fowler. Shavan Jarrett won the boys under-20 800 meters in 1 minute 51.19 seconds. Despera Ray and Devontae Edwards won gold and silver in the under-20 boys shot put. Ray won with a throw of 19.66 meters. Now in the girls under-20 high jump, Daniel Noble took gold, clearing 1.80 meters, ahead of teammate Shaniqua Williams, who got silver. In the boys under-17 long jump, Amani Phillips mined gold in the event, cutting the sand at 7.49 meters. Teammate and under-17 100-meter champion Michael Graham grabbed silver, leaping 7.33 meters.